Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a orangey fall look for you. I've done a lot of browns, golds, and stuff. Have I done an orange one? I don't know, but I wanted to use glitter because I haven't done glitter liner in so long. So if you guys want to see this warm toned glitter liner look, please keep watching. So I'm going to start by priming my eyelid, and I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's the Overachiever concealer, and this is in the shade Toasted Almond. I'm just going to apply a bit of that to my eyelids and set it with Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in Banana Bread. I'm just going to put a bit on each eye and just blend that in with the Beauty Blender. Now for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's Topaz Obsessions palette. I'm going to start by blending this orangey yellow into my crease using this Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH36 brush. So I'm just going to put this on my lid and blend it upwards. You just want it all over the place. So next, to deepen this color up, I'm just going to be going with this rusty orange in the top corner. And same thing, I'm just going to start on my lid and blend that up. Not as high as the yellow, but and now to deepen it up more, I'm going to be putting in this orangey brown at the bottom. And I'm going to go in with the same brush that I was just using, and that was the JH37. Take a little bit more of that yellow. Blend those colors together. And if you get a line created between your brow and the shadow, just take a clean blending brush. This is the JH30. And just kind of blend it out. Now for my under eye shadow, I'm going to start with that yellow and just smudge that in on the bottom. Next, we're going to go in with that orange, exactly the same as we did on our eyes. Put in some of that orangey brown. I'm just going to use that fluffy brush to just blend that out and make it not too harsh. I hate harsh under eyes. So now for my inner corner, I'm going to go in with this light gold color, and I'm just going to take some of that on my pinky and just kind of smoosh it in. So that filming just got cut off. I just used that same JH39 brush, and I put that gold that I used in my inner corner onto my brow bone. So next I'm going to go in with liner, and I'm just going to take a pen liner, and I'm just going to do a regular winged liner. And next, we're just going to add some glitter, and I'm going to be using Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy. It just already comes with a brush, so I'm just going to kind of outline that liner, maybe overlap it a little bit. So next we're going to go in with some lashes, and I'm going to be using Lilly Lashes in Diamonds. I love my life. So now for mascara, as always, I'm going to go in with Benefit's Bad Gal Bang. So now for bronzer, I'm going to go in with Morphe's 8H High Five palette, and I'm going to go in with Blogger. I'm going to be using this JH03 brush. Is that 03? Yes. For blush, I'm going to go in with Morphe's 8W palette, and I'm going to go in with Unapologetic. And now for highlight, I'm going to go in with Inglot by Jennifer Lopez, Livin the Highlight. I'm just going to pick this up on my JH06 brush. I'm going to also go in using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 brush just to pop some of this on my nose. Cupid's bow as well. So for my lips, I'm going to be going in with MAC's new Powder Kiss lipstick in Devoted to Chili. Anyway, this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. I hope you guys like this look and want to recreate it. Obviously the glitter gives it a little bit more glam. If you want to tone it down, you know, for more of an everyday just kind of eyeshadow look, then skip the glitter. So yeah, if you guys have any comments or questions on this look or any of my other looks, or you have any requests for future looks, please leave a comment below or DM me on Instagram at Chelseasmakeup. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.